Welcome back. HTML attribute provides additional information about an HTML element. If you have an HTML element and you want to specify additional info about that element, you use what we call the HTML attribute. The attributes are usually specified in the start tag. So if you have your tag, the attribute is going to be inserted in this start tag. Then attributes usually come in the form of a name, and or we can just say a name is equals to a value. This is how attribute actually works. The name of the attribute, the value that you are actually giving to that attribute. Anchor tag, which is used to link from one page to another, for instance, is usually in this format: a tag. Then we have our content here. Go to this link. Then inside the anchor tag, now you're linking to this page, so you have something like href, which is href. This href actually comes in this. Look at it, this is the name of the attribute, and this is the value of the attribute. So this href is going to specify where this page is going to take us to when we click on this link. For instance, now if we say it should take us to about.html, so when a user clicks on this, now it takes the user to this particular page. So you see that this attribute now has been able to give an additional information about this particular tag. What if we look at the image tag? If we have the image now, this is the image tag, you need to specify where the image is on your computer, and we do that using the xrc, which is the source. So we have the xrc, which tells us where the particular image is. So we can say that the images is in images folder, then the name of the image is cat.png or something like this. So you can see now that attribute helps to give an additional information about a particular HTML element. In our coming lectures, most of the tags that we're going to be dealing with are going to be having attributes. So it will be very nice if we have a good understanding of what HTML attribute means before the time. So just know that HTML attribute is used to give an additional information about a particular HTML tag, and it's usually written in the opening tag of the element. Then it comes usually in the form of the name of the attribute equals to the value of the attribute.